Hey guys! Look at these very strange surprises. But I hope we would have very nice surprises inside. And here we go, Daisy. The sweetie is dark. She's the best friend of Minnie, and she's a girlfriend of Donald Duck, and she wears violet dress and violet bow, and she looks very happy, and we are happy to see you, Daisy. Let me fix you with play-doh here. Okay, let's now open this very strange pink surprise, and inside is a Peppa Pig. Wow, Peppa, you have new pink dress with heart. Oh wow, something new, Peppa. What is here? Look at your bag. Are you going shopping? Yes, I go shopping. Daisy, are you with me? Who is in this surprise? And inside it's Lalaloopsy, and her name is a beauty fairyist. Look at her. She wears a dark yellow dress. Look at her dark hair and very bright bow. I'm sorry, Peppa. Stand up, please. And I now open this surprise. And inside is Bonnie. And I think this is Apple Bloom, or somebody call her Apple Blossom. She's a member of Apple family, and she's the younger sister of Applejack. Nice to see you here, Apple Bloom. You're very sweet. Well, the last surprise to open. Guess who is inside? And inside is Elsa. She's a queen of Frozen Kingdom. She is very serious here, but we know, Elsie, that you are very kind-hearted and very beautiful queen. Thank you for watching us. We are always glad to see you at Kids Toys channel. To have more fun, don't forget to subscribe. See you next time. Bye bye.